at oportunidad na darating sa'yo para sa susunod na buwan? Gusto mo bang malaman? Tara, silipin natin. So in this video, we will be discussing the monthly forecast for the zodiac sign Pisces. Only take what resonates and leave what doesn't. You may take nothing at all. If you are seeing this on your page, there might be a message for you. Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is M from M's Guide Tarot Reading and I am an intuitive tarot reader. So, dito sa video na ito ay i-discuss natin kung ano ang kapalaran ng zodiac sign na Pisces para sa buwan ng Marso 2025. Ang mga susunod ang i-discuss natin. Ang tema para sa Marso, ang career reading ninyo, ang love reading ninyo, at ang health reading ninyo. So, tara, simulan na natin. So, ang tema para sa zodiac sign na Pisces para sa buwan ng Marso ay ideation. So, ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng ideation? Ang ideation, kapag tiningnan mo ito sa diksyonaryo, ang ibig sabihin nito ay the process of forming ideas from concept to implementation. So, ang ibig sabihin niyan, para sa buwan ng Marso, kayo ay dapat, you will be having your creative juices, kumbaga. So, Pisces or the zodiac sign Pisces is known for creativity. So, kayo ay mga tao na parang born to be creative thinkers. So, maaring you enjoy doing art, you enjoy making things, crafts, hobbies, ganon. So, all for the month of March, maaaring madami kayong ideas na dapat magkaroon din ng aksyon. So, baliwala kung meron kayong idea tapos hindi nyo gagawan ng plano. So, you have to put that in mind pagdating sa lahat ng aspeto ng iyong buhay. Whether this is about career, your romantic life, or your health. So, yun ang tema para sa inyo this March. Ang unang card na ating pinull out, this represents the career aspect of your reading. And the card that came out is the Knight of Swords in the reverse. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, pagdating sa March, when it comes to your career, maaring madami kang masasabi na mga salita na hindi magugustuhan ng mga tao pagdating sa career mo, or you will be butting heads with people, and because you firmly believe in your ideas, that your ideas are good, that your ideas will make profit, and ang clarifying cards ang sinasabi dito, you want to make the most out of your career. So, syempre, sino ba naman ang may ayaw ng progress or career growth? But the thing is, it will be put on hold even though you want it badly to work, yung mga ideas mo. Because you have a lot of ideas. The Three of Wands came out in the upright. It's actually very grandeur. Or, yung mga idea mo, tingin mo malayo ang mararating ng mga ito. The thing is, you will not be given that opportunity this March. Kahit na maganda yung idea mo, iprepresent mo ito sa mga boss mo, sa mga colleagues mo, they will not think of it na it is something that will benefit, or the company that you are working with will benefit from it. So, ang guidance para sa'yo is ang Ace of Cups in the upright. So, wag kang mawala ng pag-asa, wag kang magi-give up. Kasi kung you firmly believe that your ideas are right and you feel that this will come into fruition someday, then hold on to your ideas. Kaya nga sinabi dito sa theme, ideation. Ibig sabihin, the process of making and putting it into action. So, even though it's still in parang sketch work or nasa drawing stage pa lang, ah, kung i-present mo ito, make sure that you have all the parang nasa iyo lahat ng bala para to make it into fruition or into action, because people might not believe that it is achievable yung idea mo. They think it's a good idea, but it feels like uh, i-deny ka nila dito sa idea mo or yung sa project mo because they think na hindi ito achievable. So, maraming factors. Pwedeng hindi kaya ng budget, puwedeng, kulang sa tao. So, gano'n. Just make it simple, hold on to your ideas kung hindi ito pakikinggan ng, ibang tao, because someday, it will be useful. Ang next card na pinull out natin ay representasyon ng iyong romantic life this March, or this is the romantic aspect of your reading. And the base card that came out is the Knight of Cups in the upright. So, anong ibig sabihin nito? Ibig sabihin yan, you will be having fun. If you are in a relationship, so this reading, yung first row, this is all about those who are in a relationship. So, ang ibig sabihin niyan, it will be full of love. But, it seems like may carry over from the last time. For those who have partners, may mga jowa, may boyfriend, may girlfriend, you will be going through dark times this March. So, it might be an emotional roller coaster because the sun card came out in the reverse. So, madami kang kailangang plantsahin pagdating sa yung relationship with your partner, because you might just be coming out of a situation wherein you were placed in a bad situation. So, maring may mga nangyari with you and your partner na hindi mo nagustuhan in the past, and you are just coming out of it. So, wag kang mag-worry kasi you will make it through. So, the problems will be solved, but don't expect na it will be a walk in the park. Kasi, kagaya nga ng sinabi ko sa'yo, ah, justice will be served, but at the same time, it will not be that easy to solve or to gain that trust again kung ikaw ay may problema sa iyong partner. But it will be filled with love and it is genuine, kumbaga. The intentions of your partner, kung kayo ay nagkaroon ng away, there is genuine love. It's just that it's not as easy to fix the problem. So, maaring meron pa rin mga away, sagutan this March. But remember to always keep the faith that love and will always prosper. Para naman sa mga taong single, maaring may dumating na tao sa inyo this March, represented by the Knight of Cups. So, this person will be going in, or talagang susuyuin ka nitong taong ito. Matitipuhan mo siya, and maybe you will think that maybe it's time to date again yung mga taong single. Kasi you will be intrigued because this person will be pursuing you. But at some point, you will feel there is really no chemistry between the two of you. So, ang advice para sa'yo is try. Wala namang masamang subukan ito kasi if it will not work romantically, you will gain a friend. So, it's a win-win solution, or it's a win-win situation, kumbaga. So, this person might come in this month. He or she will pursue you, and just try to have fun, kumbaga. Don't overthink. If you don't like this person, then at least your network is growing, or your network of friends, kumbaga. So the last card that we pulled out, this represents the health situation of your reading, and the card that came out is the strength card in the upright. So this is a major arcana card. Ibig sabihin, you will be going through a tremendous amount of stress this month of March. So tandaan, pangalagaan ang iyong mental health. Hindi pwedeng palaging trabaho ng trabaho kasi yung trabaho, replaceable ka sa work. Tandaan mo yan. Pero sa pamilya mo, hindi ka replaceable. So, always think of your best good or yung mga bagay na mas makakabuti sa'yo, yun ang intindihin mo. Hindi yung puro trabaho. Kasi stress lang ang nakukuha mo sa trabaho. And this might also be a sign for you to maybe go and have that day off or that rest and relaxation kasi you might be overworking. And mapapansin mo naman yan kung ikaw ay sobrang parang madami naman, minsan madaming physical symptoms ang stress. Minsan naglalagas ka na ng buhok. Minsan yung appetite mo, hindi mo yung minsan gustong-gusto mo kumain. Minsan wala kang appetite. So, you have to weigh. Kailangan mo din alagaan yung mental health mo, hindi lang yung physical health. Kasi, maaaring nagmamanifest na ito into the physical pero hindi mo lang ito napapansin dahil nga babad ka sa trabaho. So, this is your sign to have that leave or yung day off, kumbaga. So to end this tarot reading session, I have pulled out some oracle cards for extra guidance for you for this March, for the zodiac sign Pisces. And the first one that came out is nothing will come of this situation. So kagaya nga ng sinabi ko kanina, if you are in a conundrum when it comes to your career or kung ikaw ay may pinagdadaanan pagdating sa love life, palipasin mo lang ito. Kasi kung magpapadala ka sa iyong emosyon ay walang mangyayari. And walang mariresolve na problema kung pareho kayong may galit. Whether this is career or this is love life or this is your health. Yung stress mo, hindi mo pinapansin. Take a rest. Yun ang ibig sabihin yan. And the next one is it's time to take action. So again, if you firmly believe in something, then go for it. Parang kailangan natin mag-take ng risk kasi we only live once. And kung hindi tayo mag-take ng risk, then regret ang mas malalang kakaharapin mo pagdating sa buwan na ito.